2018 will be held on Sunday, May 6 across 150 exam cities of India. Candidates are required to report to the exam center in one of 2 time slots allotted to them. Check your NEET 2018 admit card to know the exact exam center address and the time slot allotted to you. No candidates will be allowed to enter the NEET exam center after 9:30 am. At the exam center, frisking will take place with the help of metal detectors. CBSE has issued strict instructions regarding the NEET Dress Code as well as the items candidates are barred from carrying to the exam center. Here we inform you about the NEET 2018 Dress Code as well as all the items you can and cannot carry to the exam center. As per the NEET 2018 Dress Code, candidates will be allowed to wear only light, simple clothes. Half-sleeve shirts and t-shirts are allowed along with salwar and trousers. Slippers and sandals with low heels are also allowed. Candidates will not be allowed to wear clothes having too many zips, big pockets, big buttons or any elaborate embroidery. Full-sleeved clothes are not allowed, neither are kurta pajamas. Candidates will also not be allowed to wear shoes. Candidates are only allowed to carry their admit card with an affixed passport size photo. When reporting to their exam center, candidates can only carry with them their NEET 2018 admit card as well as an extra passport size photo. Candidates will not be allowed to carry any stationery items like geometry or pencil box, plastic pouches, pens, scales, writing pads or erasers. Any electronic items like pen drives, calculators, electronic pens or scanners and cameras will also not be allowed. Candidates cannot carry any textual material, either printed or returned, bits of papers or log tables. Communication devices like mobile phones, Bluetooth, earphones, microphones, pagers, health bands are also banned from the exam center. Any personal accessories like wallets, goggles, handbags, belts, caps, wristwatches, bracelets are not allowed. Any jewelry or ornaments like rings, earrings, nose pins, chains or necklaces, pendants, badges, brooches, etc. are also not allowed. Candidates cannot carry with them any eatables or water bottles. Any metallic items or items which can be used to hide communication devices are also not permitted. Candidates appearing for NEET in their customary dress, including burqas, should make sure they report at the NEET exam center latest by 8:30 am. No arrangements will be made at the exam center to keep your possessions, so make sure you only carry what is allowed. Careers360 wishes all candidates the very best of luck for NEET 2018.
Like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for staying updated regarding AIIMS MBBS, NEET UG and other entrance exams. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube and on our website www.careers360.com.